Subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
The question is f of x is equal to 8 raised x minus 2 raised x whole thing divided by k raised x minus 1 comma x not equal to 0 is equal to 2 comma x equal to 0 at x equal to 0. It means here the given function f of x is continuous at x equal to 0 and we have to find the unknown value k. Now let's see the solution. First of all, f of x is a continuous at x equal to 0. Therefore, limit x tends to 0 f of x is equal to f0. Therefore, now limit x tends to 0 means x not equal to 0, and for x not equal to 0 f of x is a defined as 8 raised x minus 2 raised x upon k raised x minus 1. Now f of 0 means x equal to 0, and at x equal to 0 we have f of x is equal to 2. It means f of 0 should be 2. Now by solving this limit we get the value of unknown k. So to solve such a type of limit, we use one formula of limits, that limit x tends to 0 a raise x minus 1 upon x, and that equal to log a. So in present case, we can write limit x tends to 0 8 raised x minus 1, then minus 2 raised x plus 1 upon k raised x minus 1 is equal to 2. The next step will be limit x tends to 0. Now here we make it bracketing, that 8 raised x minus 1 we write in one bracket, and from third and fourth term we take minus sign common. So we get minus in bracket 2 raised x minus 1 and whole thing divided by k raised x minus 1, and that equal to 2. Now to get rule that limit x tends to 0 a raised x minus 1 upon x is equal to log a, here we have to divide numerator and denominator by x. So limit x tends to 0. A trace x minus 1 upon x as a one limit, then minus limit x tends to 0, 2 raised x minus 1 upon x as a second limit, whole thing divided by limit x tends to 0, k raised x minus 1 upon x, and that equal to 2. Therefore, limit x tends to 0, 8 raised x minus 1 upon x. So this limit gives us log 8 minus limit x tends to 0, 2 raised x minus 1 upon x. So this gives answer log 2 and totally divide by limit x tends to 0, k raised x minus 1 upon x. So this gives answer log k, and that equal to 2. Therefore, now here log 8 minus log 2 gives log of 8 upon 2, and that equal to 2 into log of k. On simplifying further, we get log of, now 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. So in this way, we get log of 4 is equal to log of k the whole square by using exponent law of logarithm. Now here we cancel log from both sides. So we get k square is equal to 4. Taking square root on both sides, so finally we get k equal to plus or minus 2. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.